Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. Happy Wednesday to you. Quick look here at RUNE chain, Thor chain, RUNE chain, whatever you would call it. You know what it is. It's effectively a coin that's doing very, very well here today. Honoring this ascending trend line, so we're going to talk about that and some key fib levels too. Just kind of seeing what's going on here in general with this coin. So just do me a favor before we get started. Hit the like button, comment below. Deeply appreciate your feedback. And what are you doing with this coin? Where are you at? What's your entry? One thing I wanted to kind of preface with too is just to say thank you so much to my community for some awesome feedback. We took some nice shorts here from Matic and VeChain. Also nice profits here with some Cardano longs as well as XRP too. So nice profits there for my community. Deeply appreciate the feedback. Looking here at RUNE though, let's go ahead and double check. So first of all, tons of liquidation to the upside here. So anything that's been trying to short has been getting destroyed. So you probably already know that if you've been trying to short this coin. And keep in mind, when you try to short coins that are overextended, it's just a bad idea in general. You don't trade specific on that one thing. We're going to focus on key level fib retracements and a few other things as well. But once we break through these key levels, there's really no looking back. Okay. So again, it doesn't mean the price is going to run forever, but I would say at this point, it's pretty safe to presume the price is going to continue moving up until it doesn't, right? Big surprise. I know people laugh at the fact that I say it's going to happen until it doesn't. That's just kind of how trading is though, folks. You got to recognize a lot of reasons why coins have continuation. Most of it is based on volume. So let's talk about that. Really quick though to preface, so with the moving averages, we're right smack dab in the middle of all four. Okay, so we're above the 200 and the 20. Those are the more important ones in my opinion. Or we got the 50 and the 100 above us. So not a ton of resistance, which is good. We got the most recent average true range essentially at 530. That's basically the point of control. So price actions above that, therefore nice level of support. We can see MACD's converging, stochastic RSI is also diverging rather, and we can see RSI above 50. These are all very positive signs here. I don't care too much about stochastic RSI swinging down just yet. It's typically the second one you want to pay attention to. So honestly, at this point, the daily time frame looks pretty solid, minus a couple of resistances upwards about 1.272, 1.414. So 640 to 660, we want to start considering the price action may pull back, but between now and then, decent chance it'll continue further up. We could also be at the beginning of a cup and handle pattern here. We're seeing a lot of these kind of playouts here in the charts. Whereas the price action will continue up like this, and then it'll basically reject and retrace effectively to the 0.618, 0.786 fib levels here. So we could see that happen. It's just an offshoot here. Again, folks, it's not a guarantee, but these cup and handle patterns are playing out pretty consistent recently. So again, all that being said, extremely high amount of volume, no reason to short into this coin. We can see money flow index is high, RSI is higher, and stochastic swinging up, MACD converging. This is a very, very bullish 4-hour time frame. Okay, so when you see a bullish 4-hour time frame like this, you do not short. Unless you want to be another statistic and getting liquidated like these folks here, I would not recommend doing that. Granted, the price action could absolutely pull back. A lot of it hinges on Bitcoin too, because Bitcoin has been stabilizing at about low 62,000 range. If it continues to increase, which it has in the last couple of hours, we could see RUNE also continue to push further up. So again, either way you look at it, 4-hour time frame is nice, and we can also see that this coin is moving fairly independent of Bitcoin, which is also nice. Okay, so we're just going to highlight these in yellow because I like to put my those things in yellow, and then what we want to double check is Ichimoku cloud. Confirm that we're above the cloud, everything's good to go here. There's really no reason to consider shorting this coin. Tremendous amount of momentum, lagging spans free and clear. If you're in profit on this coin, folks, just consider adjusting your stop loss higher, because if we do end up seeing a pullback soon, which would make sense, it's very common for coins to retrace at most recent highs, which is this $6 mark. So if the price comes up to $6, that'd be a good consideration for taking profit and or securing some of your profit. You don't have to close the whole thing. We like to kind of take 70-80% position size on our first target, let the rest ride. So you maybe want to consider doing that, but at the very least, adjust your stop loss higher so if it pulls back, you secure profit. That's really the bottom line. Okay, because again, this is all bullish signs, all very good signs. There's no reason to short this coin. But from a trader's perspective here, somebody likes to secure profit whenever possible. We do that as a community also. It's smart to kind of try to get what you can out of it. But once more, just to clarify, this amount of volume, folks, implies you do not short this coin. Not a good call, not a safe call. I think this coin's more likely to come up closer to $6, possibly retrace within this channel, and then leg up again after bouncing off 540 and or 560. Those are two areas of retracement that are very common retracement levels. But the fact that we have a more recent high in this range here, I think we're going to have a lot of support right around here between 550 and 565, right in that range. Okay, so again, really cool stuff. I like it. Do me a favor, before you go, like, comment below. If you want to do yourself a favor, join up with BTCC. It's our newest exchange here partnered. Excellent rewards. Use my link to register, about over $10,000 in rewards. Awesome discount bonuses on trading fees too. They're a really good exchange. Be sure to check them out. They're just a good alternative to BitUnix. BitUnix is still our favorite, still our preferred. Highly recommend using them as a primary. But if you want like a secondary or tertiary account that has no requirements for KYC or VPN, look no further. They got you covered. They've been around for about 13 years too. They're pretty safe and reliable. Thanks again for your time, folks. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.